So once again, very good afternoon. First, I'll ask you few questions from table. After that, we can start the class. Okay. So Tejashri, please unmute. Tejashri, please unmute fast.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 9. 2 into 9. Oh, Ishan
18.
is racing.
18.
18. Yes, 2 into 9 equal to 18. Very good. You can mute.
Thank you,
Ronit,
ma'am.
please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
3 into 6.
3 into 6. 18.
18. Very good. You can mute your audio. Fatima. Fatima is not yet connected. Amreen, please unmute. Amreen, please unmute here.
Ma'am.
Amreen. 5 into 9.
5 into 9.
5 into 9.
45.
45. Very good. 5 into 9 equal to 45. Now, Aradhya, please unmute. Yes, unmute here.
Yes, ma'am.
3 into 6.
18.
Yes, very good. 3 into 6 equal to 18. Ardra. Ardra.
Yes.
4 into 4.
4.
4 into 4.
4 into 4. 16.
16. Okay. Now, dear children, we can check the homework answers. Okay. So, everybody open your workbook. Question number 16. Page number 61. Question number 16 we are going to discuss. Okay. Qualby, please unmute. Qualby. Yes. Unmute here. Unmute. Pass. Dear, unmute. Qualby, are you ready? Unmute here first. Yes, first we can discuss 373 into 24. 373 into 24. Now, HTO. 373 into 24. Others, please keep your audio muted. Except Qualby, everybody keep your audio muted. Now, Qualby, from where we have to start multiplication?
Ones place.
Ones place. So first we have to multiply by 3
3
or
into
4. By 4 we have to multiply first. So 3 into 4, what we will get?
12.
12. In 12, what we have to write in the ones place?
2.
2 in the ones place. And 1 to where we have to carry?
Tens place.
Tens place. Qualby, 1 minute. Once more you unmute.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now, next we have to multiply
7 into 4.
7 into 4. What you will get 7 into 4?
Into 4.
1 7 is? Qualby,
7 is 7.
2 7s are? 2 7s are?
Ma'am, 28.
Yes, 7 4s are 28. Please turn on your video, dear. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1?
Plus 129.
29. In 29, what we will write in the tens place?
9.
9 we will write in the tens place. And 2 we will carry to the which place?
Hundreds place.
100 place.
Hundreds place.
Now 3 into 4?
3 into 4. 12.
12 plus 2?
12 plus 2. 14.
4 here, 100 place, 1 in the 1000 place. Okay.
Place.
Now you can mute your audio. Next step, Casina should say. Casina, please unmute. Casina. Casina, can you hear me? Casina, wait, Casina. Unmute. Now unmute. Okay. Now we have to multiply by which digit, dear? Now what is remaining to multiply? What digit is remaining to multiply?
1.
2. Is it 1?
2.
Dear, here by 4 we have multiplied. Now what is remaining to multiply? 2.
2.
So before starting the multiplication, we have to put something in the ones place. What is that?
Plus.
No. The ones place here, as we are multiplying by 2 tens.
3.
No, we have to place something here. We have to put one digit over there. What is that? 0. Okay. We are multiplying by 2 tens. Dear, listen here. 2 tens. Okay. When we multiply by 10, you have to, there will be a 0 in the right side of the product. That's why here we have to put a 0 and we have to start the multiplication by 2. Okay. Casina, have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to multiply 373 by 2. 2 into 3?
2 into 3. 6.
6. Okay. Now 2 into 7?
14.
14. In 14, this only you have to keep in mind properly. All other steps are same. When 2 into 7, we've got 14. So 4 where we have to write here? In the?
In the
100 place. Next place is 100 place. So you have to put 4 in the 100 place. And 1 we should carry to the
thousands place.
No, because we have multiplied here the tens place digit. 7 is in tens place.
Yes.
And we got 14. So the carryover should be in which place? Which place?
Hundreds place.
100 place. So 2 into 7 equal to 14. So 4 in 100 place, 1 should carry to the 100 place. Second step only, this problem will come. Otherwise, you will not get confused. Okay. So 2 into 7. 7 is in the tens place. So the carryover should be in 100 place. Don't go to 1000 place. Okay. Now 2 into 3.
2 into 3.
Again 6. 6 plus 1.
7.
7. After that we have to add. 2 plus 0.
2.
2. 9 plus 6.
15.
In 15, 5 we have to write in the tens place. 1 should carry to
hundreds place.
100 place. 1 plus 4.
1 plus 4.
1 plus 4?
6.
No. 4 plus 1. After 4?
5, 6, 7, 8.
No.
9.
Take one finger. After 4,
1,
what is the next number?
5,
5.
6.
Then 5 plus 4, you can count. 5 plus 4?
6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Now 7 plus 1?
Ma'am, that was I am coming
Oh,
to
okay. 7 plus 1?
8.
8. Okay. Will you read this answer?
8,952.
8,952.
52.
Yes. How many of you got the same answer? Please raise your hands. Those who got the same answer. Okay, Dev got, Andrea, Ishan, Jovial, Sain, Rahul, Nia, Nobin, Ihsan. Bhagya, what happened? Got wrong answer? Okay. Aiden got Benedict, Dan, Ardra, Qualby, Fatima, Achua. Have you got? Okay. Those who made mistake, have you understood now? Now, anybody is having doubt? Next question we can discuss. One more question we can discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Bhagya, please unmute. Unmute fast. Okay. Next question is 465 into 18. 465 into 18. Bhagya,
Yes, ma'am.
first we have to multiply 465 by which digit? 1 or 18?
8.
8. Yes. 465 into 80. So we can multiply first by 8. 8 into 5?
40.
40. In 40, what you will write in the ones place?
0.
0. And what we will do this for?
Carry to tens place.
Carry to tens place. Now 6 into 8?
48.
48 plus 4? Carry your 4?
52.
52. In 52, what we will write in the tens place?
2.
2 will write in the tens place. And 5, what we will do?
Carry over to 100 place.
Carry to the 100 place. Now 4 into 8?
32.
32 plus 5?
37.
7 in 100 place. 3 in 1000 place we will write. Because here anything is there to multiply again. That's why we are writing like that. Now next we have to multiply by which number, which digit?
1.
1. So before multiplying, start the multiplication, what we have to put in the ones place? Something we have to put in the ones place here. Something we have to put. What is that? We are going to multiply by 1 tens. So we have to put something. When we multiply by 10, there will be a digit in the ones place. What is that? Bhagya? Do you know?
No.
Benedict, what do you have to put?
Ma'am, 0.
Dear, we have to put a 0 in the ones place before starting the multiplication by tens digit. Okay, tens place digit. Okay, have you understood now, Bhagya?
Yes.
And we have to multiply by 1 into 5?
5.
5. 1 into 6?
6.
6. 1 into 4?
4.
4. What is the next step?
We needed to add
We have to add. 0 plus 0,
0,
2 plus 5,
7,
7. 7 plus 6.
13,
In 13, what we have to do? 3 where we have to write? Under 100 place or 1000 place? Where?
100 place,
And 1 what we should do?
carry,
To the 1000 place. 3 plus 1?
4,
4 plus 4?
8,
8. How many of you got this question answer?
Ma'am, I
Very good, very good. Many hands I can see. Bhagya, have you understood now the addition?
Yes.
Any doubt? Any more doubt?
Nah.
No. Anybody else is having doubt to multiply by 2-digit number? No. Now we can do few more questions. Few more questions on by 2-digit multiplication. So, dear children, please take page number 62. Page number 62. Workbook, page number 62. Page number 62, question number 90. Now we can do question number 90. All of you take. Now, Nobin, please read the question. Read the question.
Okay, ma'am. Ajay
Kept.
Ajay kept 675 stamp in a box. If he has the same number of stamps in 30 box,
Such
how
boxes.
many boxes? How many stamps does he have in all?
Yes. So, dear children, how many stamps are there in one box? Dev, please unmute. How many stamps are there in one box? Please unmute, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
How many stamps are there in one box?
675.
675 stamps are there in one box. So what should be the first step? Number of stamps in?
Number of stamps in a box.
In a box equal to 675.
Is equal to 675.
Okay. Now, Dan, please unmute.
Ma'am.
How many stamps are there? Sorry. How many boxes are there? What is it?
13.
13 such boxes are there. So, what will be the next step? Next statement.
Number of box.
Number of boxes equal to 13. And what we have to find out, what we have to do to find out? What we have to find out? What
Total
is the
number. We have to add.
Do you want to add?
No. We want to multiply.
We have to find total number of stamps, or how many stamps are there in all. So for that, we have to multiply. So what will be the last step?
Total number of stamps.
Yes, total number of stamps. Dear children, please copy down the steps, and multiplication you have to do in the notebook now itself. Number of stamps. Number of stamps in one box equal to 675. Number of boxes equal to 13. And last step, total number of stamps. Total number of stamps in all the boxes. Equal to 675. Is it readable, dear children? What I am writing here, is it readable? 675 into 13. Benedict? Oh, yes. Can you all see that? What I have written on the screen?
No.
You can't see?
No. We can see later and come in that.
Ah, that is okay. Color. I am asking about, do I want to change the color?
No.
No. Okay. Everybody do the multiplication. Those who are slow in writing, they can write down the steps later from the WhatsApp. I will send through WhatsApp. But the multiplication you have to do now itself. Please do the multiplication now. Then only you will get practice. So please do the multiplication now. Number of stamps in one box, number of boxes, total number of stamps in all the boxes. HTO 675 into 13. Shaza, do the multiplication fast. 675 into 13. Yes, Amrin, please unmute. Amrin, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Here first we have to multiply by? Sorry? 3.
3 into
So, 3 into 5. What will get 3 into 5?
15.
15. 3 into 5 equal to 15. Okay. In 15, what we will write? 5 or 1. Which digit will we write in the ones place?
5.
5 in the ones place. And 1 we will carry to
Tens place.
Tens place. Next we have to multiply.
3 into 7.
3 into 7, what you will get? 3 into 7?
3 into 7.
1 7 is?
3.
1 7. 1 into 7 equal to 2 into 7 equal to 3 into 7 equal to
3, 6, 9.
try to say the table of 7. 1 7 is
7.
2 sevens are
13.
14. 2 sevens are 14.
14.
3 sevens are
3 sevens are 21.
21. And we have to add the carryover also. Carryover 1. 21 plus 1?
22.
22. In 22, 2 we will write in the tens place. The other 2 will carry to
600 place.
100 place. Now 6 into 3.
6 into 3. 6 into 3.
1 6 is
6.
2 6 are
12.
3 6 are
18.
18. 18 plus 2?
18 plus 2.
20.
20.
0 in the 100 place, 2 in the 1000 place.
1000 place.
Okay. Now Aiden, please unmute. Amrin can mute your audio.
Yes,
Aiden, please. Next, we have to multiply 675 by
1.
1. Before that, we have to put something in the ones place down.
0.
0 we have to put in the ones place. 0. Next, 1 into 5.
5.
1 into 7.
7.
1 into 6.
6.
Next, what is the next step?
Ma'am, we want to add.
Add. Yes. 6, 7. Okay. Now we have to
We have to
add.
add.
0 plus 5.
5.
5. 5 plus 2.
7.
7. 0 plus 7.
7.
6 plus 2.
8.
8. Have you got the same answer, dear?
Yes.
Will you read this answer? Number?
8,775.
Yes. How many of you got the same answer? Please raise your hands. Those who got same answer. Yes, yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good, dear children. Okay. Almost everybody got the correct answer. Very good, dear. Now, next question. Hassan, read the next question. Unmute and read the next question. Question number 20.
A container can hold 720 spoons. How many spoons can be kept in 12 such containers?
Okay. So, in one container, how many spoons are there?
720.
20. So, what should be the first step?
Number of spoons in one box.
One container. Number of spoons in one container equal to 720.
20.
Okay. Rahul, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How many containers are there? Total, how many containers are there?
720.
Is that number of container? That is the number of spoons in one container. How many containers are there total?
12.
12. So, dear children, please underline 720 and 12. So, there are 12 containers. So, what should be the next step? So the what should be the next
Num-
step? Number of
is
a number of
12.
containers equal to
12.
12. And what we have to find out?
Total number of containers.
No. Total number of
Spoon.
we have to find total number of spoons. So last step should be total number of spoons. Okay. So everybody start writing the steps. Take page number 63. Write the steps. First one, total number of spoons in one container. Equal to 720. Then total number of spoons. Total number of spoons. If you are writing the total number of spoons first also, no problem. Sorry, total number of containers. If you are writing total number of containers first, that step first, no problem. 12. And next step, total number of spoons. That is the thing we have to find out. Total number of spoons in all the containers. In all the containers equal to 720 into 12. Dear children, we only have 5 more minutes to left. So please do the multiplication first. The steps I will send through WhatsApp. Please do the multiplication now itself. Do the multiplication fast. $720 into 12. HTO 720 into 12. Ahilam, please unmute. Please unmute. Dear, first we have to multiply 722 by 1 or 2. Sorry?
Okay.
Sorry? Will you repeat?
Okay.
Dear, 720 by 2 or 1. We have to multiply first. By 2. So
By
2
2.
into 0,
0.
0. Then next 2 into 2,
2. 4. 4.
4. 2 into 7,
14.
14. 4 in 100 place. And the 1 in you will write in 1000 place. And Nia, please unmute. Next we have to multiply 720 by
1.
1. Before start the multiplication, what we have to do in the ones place? Something we have to write?
We have to write 0 in the ones place.
Yes, 0 in the ones place. Then 1 into 0,
0.
0. 1 into 2,
2.
2. 1 into 7,
7.
7. Now we have to
Add.
add. 0 plus 0,
0.
0 plus 4,
0. 4.
4. 7 plus 2, sorry, 4 plus 2,
6.
6. 7 plus 1,
8.
8. Will you read this number?
8,640.
8,640.
40.
Okay. Dear children, have you all got the same answer?
Yes.
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 Do you have any doubt?
No.
I will send 2 more questions to copy. You have to copy down to your notebook and you have to do as a homework. Okay. I'll send the workbook problems through WhatsApp. Please check the steps. And those who didn't write the steps, you can write it down. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day. Bye.
Thank you.